You were saying that whatever the administration can get done without Congress would be in its favor to be able to move on this. As I was just saying to Lisa, how much of what the president has proposed in this drug plan meshes with Republican orthodoxy? How much of it is outside of what Republicans typically want?
Well, I think you see a significant amount of focus, for example, on the reform of the regulatory system, right? So you think about the FDA. The FDA was a bureaucracy fundamentally designed in the 1970s, 1960s, and now what we have, obviously, is a very different and much more innovative healthcare system. And so one of the issues around reforming the regulatory process is to speed access to cures, to lower the price of those cures on the marketplace. So that's certainly one thing that Republicans have always talked about. I do think it's interesting, though, this plan goes a little bit beyond that in the sense that there is an effort, for example, to provoke drug makers potentially down the road to have to provide list prices in direct-to-consumer advertising. We all know, we've seen these ads on TV for various drugs. One of the steps the administration is considering taking is requiring some kind of disclosure around list prices, which obviously affects the downstream pricing of those drugs as well. The other issue that you and Lisa were talking about, Scarlet, are the pharmacy benefit managers, the so-called PBMs. They obviously stand to lose the most here. Obviously, it's a big question about how hard the administration is going to come down on them. That's the one piece that wasn't entirely clear. Are they going to be required to limit, for example, the rebates that they currently get access to?